In this video, we will guide you through the installation process for the Phantom Triaxial Wireless Vibration Sensor. Before we begin, let's go over some essential safety precautions. Always comply to the PPE requirements in your working environment. Ensure the equipment is turned off and the power is isolated using lockout-tagout procedures. Follow any safety operation policies required by your plant. Before the installation, there are a few preparations to complete. The sensor's mounting pad, or stud, must be installed. The mounting pad should have a female thread with the standard specifications of 1/4 inch 28 UNF. Ensure the surface of the mounting pad is clear and flat. Now let's proceed with the installation. The tools required for the installation include a lock coin, a wrench that fits the lock coin, the sensor. Attach the lock coin to the sensor's bottom plate. Position the sensor's screw through the center hole of the lock coin. Hold the sensor and lock coin together and gently screw them into the hole of the mounting pad. Tighten the sensor and lock coin until the sensor stops turning. If the orientation is not as desired, rotate the sensor in the opposite direction to adjust it. Ensure the sensor's Z-axis is aligned with the motor shaft direction. Hold the sensor with one hand and use the other hand to tighten the lock coin clockwise with the wrench. Ensure that the sensor's orientation is as desired and that the lock coin is securely tightened. Gently release your hand from the sensor and remove the wrench from the lock coin. The sensor is now permanently mounted on the equipment.